As a new YouTuber, it is very hard to get 1000 subscribers and also 4000 hours watch time in order to get monetized under YouTube partner program. But we are still can make money fast using affiliate product, and also you can share a free ebook or video which is related to your YouTube video. So let me explain more. What is affiliate product? Affiliate product is someone else's product which you can promote at your video description, and you just need to make sure that the product is related to your video. So how you can get those products? Okay, you can get it. You just need to join affiliate marketplace such as ClickBank or JVZoo, or there are many marketplaces for affiliate. You can Google it. So you just need to join for free. Then you choose the product which is related to your niche or your YouTube video. Then just share the link at the video description. And also there is another way to make money fast. You just need to share free ebook or video which is related to your video, your YouTube video. So in this way, it is just a free sharing and you still can get paid. I'm using both ways, but for me personally, the most easiest way is the second step, which is second way, which is just sharing the free ebook or video which is related to my YouTube video. So how we can make money just sharing the free ebook or video? So in this video, you will know the 3 simple steps which I will share with you. The 3 simple steps to make money by just sharing free ebook or video. So you just need to keep watching this video. I will explain step by step. There are only 3 simple steps for you to follow. So just keep watching. Hi, my name is Faizi. Thanks for watching our video. Today I will share with you about how to make money online. I'm not selling any how to make money online course because I'm not a guru. I just want to share with you the proven method that I know. Before we get started, please subscribe, like and share our channel so you will always get an update from us. Thank you and keep watching. Okay, let us continue. Who should watch this video? The method that we will share is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online from zero, and also suitable for the YouTuber with less than 4000 hours watching time and less than 1000 subscribers, and also for YouTuber who is unable to monetize their channel using YouTube partner program due to any reasons. Also suitable for anyone who wants to work from home and anyone who want to earn extra income. Without further ado, let us see the details. Okay, this is the payment that you will receive. You will get paid in daily basis each time someone click on your sharing URL. Okay, now we will see the 3 simple steps that you need to follow. Step number 1 is you need to have the targeted niche ebook or video. And step number 2, you need to generate the tracking URL for that ebook or video. And step number 3 is you need to share the generated URL at any communities or group of discussion. So if you are a YouTuber, you can share the link, URL at your video description. So each video description you will share the link, or at the comment section which you pinned. So this is the 3 simple steps that you need to follow. So we will go in details.